As you guys can see, this thing's doing a pretty good job. This is actually like my second time ever using the backhoe. When I got the machine about a year ago, I actually was tilling right over here, and for some reason one of the hydraulic hoses ended up getting dragged, and in the time of it getting dragged, it actually kinked one of the fittings, and I just been pushing it to the side. Actually, I didn't get a replacement part till about 3 weeks ago, so I finally changed that. And make sure whenever you guys are tilling and not using the hydraulic hoses for such implement, make sure you guys have it tied up or secured, because they are going to drag and they can cause that issue, and you don't want to wait on Bobcat to get a part for something so simple. But yeah, this is the backhoe. It's very simple to use, but it does take some practice. The controls are kind of weird, or they feel weird at least for first-time users. But once you get the hang of it, it's very easy. The first time I did use it, I felt like this didn't have any power at all, but that was also because I wasn't running it at high RPMs. I did crank up the RPMs when I was using it at the moment, and it does a way better job. As you guys can see, it has these guys right here which holds it steady. Doesn't really make much of a difference because it's a small backhoe for a pretty big tractor, but I mean, they are there so you can use them. Safety first. And this is the small little hole I was digging now. I came to the back of the property just because I don't want to dig a hole up anywhere else. But yeah, it's pretty deep, knee deep. Look at that. Well, I'm gonna head to the front of my house, and I have a rhino stump I have over there. I'm gonna try to dig it out and see how that turns out. And as you guys can see, I got a new camera. Let me know how you guys like the footage, if it's a better angle, or I mean, yeah, if you guys prefer the phone or the camera. And don't mind me, I'm sick. Keeps it from wiggling and swinging around once you're moving the tractor. So make sure, if you guys are transporting the tractor, to lock those things. Otherwise this thing's just gonna start shaking. I'm sure if they're not locked in or the pins aren't in, the hydraulics probably get screwed up. came right up. It did a tremendous job. Super pleased with it. And now I will be removing this, probably taking it to the back of the property, and filling this up with the front loader. That should be a breeze. I'll include some clips of that as well. And yeah, finally I got this thing out the way. I will also be chopping down this tree maybe next month or early spring, and I'll be doing the same, removing the stumps. That one might be a little bit harder just because it's green, but yeah, I should be removing the stumps. I'll probably dig around it once I'm done cutting the tree. I'll dig around it and cut the big roots underneath and remove it. But for now, this guy's out the way, and yeah, stick around.